Today we're playing airsoft battles, and I might not sound good because I don't have my mic. I am actually playing on mobile because I'm at my grandma's house. So, and also I changed my character. I also made a short about that I changed my character. I'm changing my name to Nava. So that's my character. So let's get into it. So we are actually red team right now. I actually been practicing this. Look at how oh. Bro! Are you serious? Bro! Serious! Just so you guys can hear my voice better. Oh no, you trying to shoot me, bro? I got you right where I want you to. Yeah. Oh, maybe like peek in the corner. Oh. Her. I usually will be filming on my monitor. But today, I guess not. Okay, let's get this dude, let's get that dude. Let's get this dude. And then let's get this girl. I'm actually raging. This dude just coming at me like 5 million times. I was grinding this game. Like, you guys should try this out. It's a really fun game. Especially if you're bored. Thank you for the free kill. I'm gonna get revenge on this dude. Something bad. I can't even get revenge, bro. Something bad about to happen quickly. What does this dude say? Nos? I used to play this. Cool, no one needs to care about that, buddy. I also learned this new trick. Look at this. I'm so sorry about that. My grandma has this like thing that shows photos and videos. That was a video, if you can hear that. That's my sister saying, "Can't break boys, but girls are unforgettable." When she was younger. Bro, I just turned around and see this dude, and then this dude comes out of nowhere and full on, baby, you got something in your nose. Sniffing that cake, can you feel the hole? Well, you got peace for yourself. New boyfriend, can you feel the puff? And you really like the strat. Bro, I died. I was so good. So good. And then I missed my chance. Do you really like the strat? I'm gonna show you what my avatar looks like so you guys can friend me. Where am I? Oh, it's right here. Okay. That's what my avatar looks like. I really need to find a profile to match that. I don't know how to like show up fan art, but if you guys can tell me and make some, I will actually use one of them for my profile. Oh my gosh, I just wiped out those guys with like ease. And if you guys can hear that movement where I'm like it doesn't sound that good, that's just because I don't have my mic. Yeah, I don't want you. What's up, bro? I'm gonna use my pillow. I mean my X19 for when I'm in the circle to get us points. Bro, look at us compared to blue team. It's on the top. But, bro, are you serious? Hit. Let's go. No, I'm hitting. Bro, this is so retarded. I think next video we should play Minecraft on mobile. She's your girlfriend. Bro, why are people talking about girlfriends on the show? You see her every day, and you get that look in her eyes. I just wasted 10 million seconds out of our life. Please subscribe. I know you wanted me to stay. Why am I singing a girly song every single day? Oh, I just got revenge on that dude. Yeah, suck my fat one. Oh, also today, do you know those things where you have to break open and you might get like ores and stuff? I got the diamond in that today. It was crazy. Bro. Are you serious? I'm gonna be King Von today. You gotta drop. No, get you. Bro, I'm gonna start. Yo, I don't want you guys to hear this, but I gotta fart. Okay, I farted. Oh, that stinks. Just gotta drop me. Yeah, can I get tears? Bro, why is this dude has no shirt? I'm King Von. Just gotta. I'm actually raging. This is how I do it. What's up, bro? Stop killing me. I swear to God, you killed me. Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Yeah. Let me do my trick again. Move out of the way. Please. Yeah! Let's go skis. Let's go skis. Go skis. Oh yeah, that's my avatar. Just to let you guys get a better look. I hope I'm not copywriting anybody because that looks like a YouTuber's profile. Oh, I like this map. Alright, this is gonna be the last round. We're gonna do like 2 rounds. What's up, bro? Like, don't shoot me. Thanks. Now, shout out to that dude for actually. I'm so sorry. FBI, open. Yo, excuse me? Bro, that dude just doesn't want to shoot me. I heard if you run over here and you find Sonic. I just killed Sonic. Oh, chill. Not this dude again! Let's see if I can hit somebody just spraying. And you're Mary. Oh, bro, whacked me with a cigar. You may be found so around and ordinary. Angels up in the window and feel the snowbirds be fast all around. Jerome, please. Oh, I actually hit somebody. Wait, let's actually switch to a sniper. Get up here. See somebody? That was the dude I was aiming for! I see him. I see this dude over here. He's gonna pop us. Amigo! What's up, bro? Let's go back to my gun, my very expensive gun. Yeah. What's up, bro? I the easiest shot. What's up, bro? I'm so sorry for that. Like, I had to get revenge. This dude again! Are you serious? Because I get you mad.
Actually, just ask her.
Are you serious? Sorry, that's my nana talking to my sister. Bro. Where am I? Where are you? Where am I? Bro, where am I? Oh, yeah, I thought I was... Yo, what you doing? Where's this dude? What's up, bro? I didn't forget about you. Maybe I did. Watch out. There's dude kidnapping over here. Are you serious? Only if that dude was on my team. Oh, headshot somebody. Oh my gosh, another hit. Oh, that dude over there.
Ay, saben yay, katudushi mama. Ho, 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 ho.
Bro. I bet I'm gonna hit somebody before I die. Bro. Going. Finally, I killed him. And this dude again. Fine. Not now. Yeah. That was my knee now. Oh. X not. Die. I'm actually mad. Fine, next time I die, we're ending. And I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this. I hope I don't die. Pop. Go. Duck. Over here. Go. Over here. Go. Over here. Gonna get him. Go. Over here. Go. Over here. Go. Over here. Go. Alright. See you guys. Peace.